Hello, boys and girls. Today we are continuing practicing reading, writing numbers in standard, expanded, and word form. Something we've been practicing the last few days. You guys did great on yesterday's exit ticket. Thank you for emailing me that. I'm so proud of you. Awesome work. And I love your nice, neat handwriting. Things we're going to also practice today are commas and where they go. So we'll work on that. And I'm just proud of you guys for working hard. Let's first start with writing numbers. So what I want you to do is I want you to write the numbers below. Let's start with the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write that number on your whiteboard. I'm going to look for my pen. We have the number 1, 2, 3, 4. I just want to make it, maybe it doesn't get bigger. And we talked about cha, 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 slide. I like to teach you how to dance when we put in our commas. We always start on the right. What side do we start on? The right. We go to the far right, so in this case the ones place, and we're going to say cha, 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 slide. I get dramatic with my comma. Make sure you're pressing the comma button and not the period button. A few people yesterday just accidentally pressed the wrong one. Now remember, if you do not type in the comma, your number is technically wrong. So 1, you have to have it in the right place, and 2, you got to type it in, right? So 1,234 is our number. Let's go ahead and try putting commas in this second number. This next number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know, really creative. What I want you to do is I want you to try cha, 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 slide, cha, 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 slide, and continue. Try it, pause your video, give it a shot, and then come back and check. All right, hopefully when you did this, maybe I'll change my color so you can see it. You went cha, 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 slide. So for your answer, you had 56,789. Let's go ahead and do this last one. The numbers, again, really creative, Mrs. Andrews. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's try it. Pause your video, try it, and then check back with me to check your work. Cha, 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 slide, lift it up, continue the process. Cha, 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 slide. So this one I have 2 commas. 2 commas. My answer is 9,876,543. So you have 2 commas in that one. Every 3 place values, we have our comma. Cha, 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 slide. Okay? All right, let's keep it moving. What I'd like you to do now is on your whiteboard, I would like you to just fill in the place value chart. Remember, the smallest place value is to the right, largest is to the left, getting 10 times bigger. Go ahead, pause your video, and fill in your place value chart. You could do it on your whiteboard, or you could take a screenshot, your choice. All right, so we have, repeat with me, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. We're going to go through and put our commas in. Cha, 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 slide, lift it up. Cha, oops, oh boy, where's my undo? I lift it up here, cha, cha, oh, I don't like that, starting over, sorry. Cha, 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 slide. Those are our commas. Sorry for making them a little dramatic. Okay, now, today we are practicing writing numbers in different forms. So first what I need to do is they put a place value chart in for me. So I need to just simply fill it in. I like to do it a mixture of ways. We have the ones, the tens, the hundreds, we have the thousands. Notice they're getting 10 times bigger. We have the 10,000s. We have the 100,000s. You could just watch this one. You don't have to do it. And last, we have the millions place. And what we're going to do is we are going to fill in the number 90,523. I like to start with the smallest. So I have a 3 in the ones place, a 2 in the tens, a 5 in the hundreds, a 0 in the thousands, and a 9 in the 10,000s. It says to write this number in word form. So when we're writing in word form, we're just simply going to write it like we say it. So 90,523. Notice this time I started on the left. I kind of bundled these 90 in the thousands because there's 90,000. Then I go to my next place value, 523. So I go by place value. So we'll go ahead and write 90,000, comma, 523. Now expanded form, I don't know why, but it's my fave. So what we will do for expanded form is we look at each place value. As we know, we're looking at each place value, and I like to cross it off as we go. So in the 10,000s place, I have 9. So 9 10,000s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have 90,000. And then we cross it off. The next number is a 0. Technically, friends, you could put your 0 there, but you don't have to. It's up to you. 0 means nothing. Our next one is the hundreds place. So in the hundreds place, I have 500. Cross it off as I go. After the hundreds place, I have the tens place. I have 2 tens, 10, 20. So I'm going to put my 20 and cross it off as I go. And last, in the ones place, I have a 3. So this is me writing it in expanded form, taking each place value and breaking it apart. We have standard form, word form, expanded form, okay? What you're going to do on the next slide is you're going to go ahead and practice this. So you can either take a screenshot or you can do it on your whiteboard, okay? So pause your video and work on the next slide. Let me clear mine so you can see. And when you look at it, you'll notice that I also asked you to send me your work. So if you're doing it on your whiteboard, just take a picture and you're going to email it to me. If you're doing it on a screenshot, you know how we learned to send an attachment. Okay, so you'll email it to me when you're done. Make sure you send the attachment. Okay? All right, guys, good luck.